Engagement is broken. Buyers today prefer self-service over sales reps, and inboxes are flooded with automated, impersonal outreach. But what if you could create authentic, personalized self-discovery sessions at scale without adding to your team's workload or increasing headcount? Meet Peel. Peel transforms your customer engagement with intelligent, customizable conversation flows. Our AI-driven voice conversations ask tailored questions that meet your prospect needs, all while feeling natural and engaging.
Would you like to book the onboarding call now?
Peel adapts in real time, capturing valuable insights from responses.
How are you and your team tracking toward your objectives?
Our renewal team is performing well, but our new business team needs some help.
While seamlessly guiding your prospects through their journey. It easily integrates with your CRM, enriching contact profiles with real-time data captured during the conversation. To maximize engagement, you can include incentives like providing gift cards directly into conversations, encouraging participation, and rewarding prospects for their time. And you can use Peel to engage with your audience wherever they are. Send personal links via email and chat. Share public links on social media platforms. Display QR codes at in-person events. And embed Peel directly on your website. Peel automates critical yet time-consuming tasks like lead qualification, conversion optimization, and market research. It is able to interview all of your connections, including your current and churned customers, to increase lifetime value. Businesses using Peel have already seen a 300% increase in engagement and a 40% reduction in sales cycles. Close more deals, save time, and transform your outreach with Peel AI. Connect like never before. Get started with Peel today.